Hello everyone. This is an anteroposterior or AP projection of the cervical spine. Shown here in number 1 is the left superior articular process of the C5 vertebra. Number 2 here, this upward projecting structure is the uncinate process of C6 vertebra. Inferiorly, labeled as number 3 is the left first rib, and this would of course be the right first rib. Number 4 is the right transverse process of T1, and this would be the left transverse process of T1. Finally, 5 is the right transverse process of C7 vertebra. This is an open mouth view of a cervical spine X-ray, and an open mouth projection allows us to see the C1 and C2 vertebrae better than our usual AP view. Number 1 are the central incisor teeth. Number 2 is the odontoid process. 3 is the transverse process of C1. And inferiorly is the inferior articular facet of C1. 5 is the superior articular facet of C2. And number 6 is the posterior arch of C1, specifically its inferior border. Number 7 is the atlantoaxial joint, also known as the joint between the atlas or the C1 vertebra and axis, which is the C2 vertebra. Number 8 is the lateral mass of C1. In the center, number 9 is the body of C2. Inferiorly, number 10 is the C2 or the axis spinous process. Number 11 is the C2 lamina. And finally, number 12 is the C2 pedicle.